This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove the music player from lock screen on iPhone. To remove the music player widget from your lock screen, follow these easy and quick steps. First of all, go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage and search for music, then tap on it. All you have to do is just offload this app from here and reinstall it, and then check the issue. The second solution is open your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on music, scroll down and tap on notifications, and here search for music. All you have to do is just open music from here, and you have to disable lock screen alerts from here. And the last and final solution is give a simple restart. Sometime restarting your iPhone can remove your music player from your lock screen. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minutes solution. See you in the next video.